Hello everyone, I'm Dwayne Jackson. I'm an ACG 2021. In this assignment, I constructed an interactive Tableau dashboard that I'll use to analyze sales transactions for the cat manufacturing company. Alright, so here we have the revenue by year. The revenue by year shows total revenues for each year. Here we have the total sales by quarter and year, which allows you to know a little more about the data. Here we have the revenue by category, which allows you to understand the relative size of revenues for each of the company's main category of sales. Here we have the sales by product line, which allows you to analyze the company's sales by the product line. Here we have the top customer in sales, which allows you to see who the biggest customers are. Here we have the sales by division, which allows you to analyze a company's sales by division. Here we have the sales by division map, which allows you to select different countries to further analyze sales transactions. Here we have the sales analysis dashboard, which is interactive, and we'll be able to find out a lot of things by looking at this dashboard. So first here we can look at the total sales by quarter and year, and we can figure out the total sale revenue for the third quarter 2020. So here we can tap on 2020, and we can tap here on the third quarter, and we can see the total sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020 is $7,991,212. Next, we can figure out the total sale revenues for the medical category in the second quarter of 2021. So here we can click on the medical, we can click on 2021, we can click here on the second quarter, and we see that the total sale revenue is $457,117. Next, we can figure out the product line that had the highest sales in 2019 under the materials processing category. So we can click here on 2019, materials processing category, and then we can scroll down the product line. And here we see that the product line that had the highest sales in 2019 is Post YT, which is $2,507,810. Skip out of that, and then now we can figure out the product line for the top product line for the German division in 2019. So we can scroll up here, we can click on 2019, and then we can scroll down here, we can select Germany, and then here we see that low YT is the top product line for the German division in 2019. Now we can scroll up, and now we can figure out which quarter had the highest sales in the telecom category under the UK division in 2020. So we can go to 2020, we can go to telecom, we can scroll down, we can type on the UK, and then we can see that the quarter that had the highest sale revenue was quarter 2, which is at $157,968. Next, we can figure out who is cat manufacturing's top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020. So we can click here, 2020, and we can click here in the fourth quarter, 2020, fourth quarter. We can scroll over and we can see that the Boise company was the top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020. And then we can figure out who the top customer in the Russia division was in 2021. So we can click here on 2021, we can click on Russia, and we can see that the Churchill company was the top customer for the Russia division in 2021. Right here at 491,063. So you may be wondering, what can you use this dashboard for? How can managers use it, etc.? So managers can use it to determine how much or how little they're producing of their product in certain locations. Also, managers can know where to send lower levels of certain products based on this dashboard. They can see what's selling, what's not. If you're a boss and you'd like to want to know the customer sales, this can answer your question of which companies are actually selling.